Installing a new door may seem like a straightforward project, but it's one of those home improvements where small mistakes can lead to big problems later. Homeowners in Knoxville often deal with unique weather patterns, humid summers, cold winters, and frequent temperature swings, all of which can affect the performance of a door. Whether you're upgrading your entry door for better curb appeal or adding new interior doors to update your space, avoiding common installation errors can save you time, money, and frustration. Below are the most frequent mistakes Knoxville homeowners make during door installation, and how you can avoid them. Choosing the wrong door for the Knoxville climate. Not all doors are built the same, and choosing the wrong material can shorten your door's lifespan. Knoxville's humidity and temperature changes can cause wood doors to warp or swell if they're not properly sealed. Steel doors can offer durability but may rust over time if the coating is damaged. Fiberglass tends to be the most weather-resistant option, making it a top choice for Knoxville homes. Avoid this mistake by selecting a door designed for your local climate, checking energy efficiency ratings, and ensuring the door is properly sealed and weather-stripped. Incorrect door measurement. One of the biggest, and most expensive, mistakes is measuring the doorway incorrectly. A door that's even slightly off in size can cause gaps, drafts, sticking, or security issues. Knoxville's older homes, in particular, often have shifting or uneven frames that require expert measurement. Avoid this mistake by measuring the width, height, and depth of the opening at multiple points. When in doubt, let a professional installer take precise measurements before purchasing. Ignoring the door frame condition. Some homeowners attempt to install a new door into a frame that's warped, rotted, or out of square. This leads to uneven gaps, poor insulation, and a door that never truly closes right. Knoxville's humidity can cause wood frames to deteriorate faster, making it important to inspect carefully. Avoid this mistake by checking the frame thoroughly before installation. Replace or repair the frame if you notice moisture damage, cracks, or unevenness. Using the wrong tools or hardware. Door installation requires specific tools, high-quality screws, proper hinges, and the right type of level. Cutting corners with cheap hardware or makeshift tools can cause alignment issues or weaken the door over time. Heavy entry doors, in particular, need strong hinges and precise installation. Avoid this mistake by using professional-grade hardware and ensuring you have the proper tools, or hiring a certified Knoxville installer who brings the right equipment. Skipping weatherproofing and insulation. A door that looks beautiful but lets in drafts isn't doing its job. Knoxville experiences a wide range of temperatures, so proper insulation and weatherproofing are essential for energy savings and comfort. Many DIY installers forget to seal the threshold, insulate gaps, or apply high-quality weather stripping. Avoid this mistake by sealing all gaps during installation, insulating around the frame, and using durable, weather-resistant materials. Misaligned hinges or door placement. A door that drags on the floor, swings open on its own, or sticks against the frame is usually the result of poor hinge placement or uneven installation. Even a slight misalignment can cause long-term wear and tear. Avoid this mistake by using a level throughout the installation process and adjusting hinges carefully. A professional installer can ensure perfect alignment. Attempting a complex installation alone. Many Knoxville homeowners try to save money by installing doors themselves. While DIY projects can be rewarding, door installation isn't always simple, especially when dealing with structural issues, security doors, or custom-fit entryways. Avoid this mistake by hiring an experienced Knoxville door installation professional who understands local building codes, weather considerations, and the proper installation process. Final thoughts. A properly installed door can boost your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and enhance security. By avoiding these common mistakes, Knoxville homeowners can enjoy long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Whether you're replacing an outdated entry door or upgrading the interior of your home, careful planning, and professional installation can make all the difference.